Tool 19. There can only be one subject for each verb and only one verb for each subject, unless there is a compound subject or compound verb, CS or CV. Write this one down, and I'll go through a few examples. Okay, you may remember this sentence from before. Monica and I went shopping. Now we know that we have a connector and here, okay? But what connects the and? Monica and I. In other words, the who of the sentence. So here's our subject 1. Here's our connector. Here's our subject 2 is I. And what did we do? We went, right? This is what we call a compound subject because it's two of the same thing, two people connected by and, or two subjects connected by and. So we're going to label this C, lowercase c, capital S, compound subject. And that means that this entire thing is the subject of our sentence, or the compound subject. Okay. So it still counts as a single subject that goes with this verb went. Okay. Let's look at this one. Monica works and goes to school. Who? Monica. What does she do? She works. There's a verb. And connector, she goes. Verb 2. Oops, verb 2. So those two verbs connected by a connector means this is a compound verb. All the way from works, lowercase c, capital V, all the way to goes. And then to school is a prepositional phrase. Okay, so here's a compound subject, here's a compound verb. So what this is telling us is that this is a single subject-verb pair. Okay, here's a subject, the verb that goes with it, a compound verb. Here's a compound subject, the verb that goes with it is a single verb. You may look at something like this. Walter, he went home. There's a subject, there's a subject, there's a verb. Well, this one doesn't work. Walter, he went home. We know that that's not right. Maybe if it's two people, Walter and he, right? So we've got a connector here. Walter and he went home. Okay, that's a compound subject, right? So that means there's two of subjects stuck together with the and.